Today I am making dal soup. And why I chose dal soup? Because weather is changing. It is something that we're gonna need, which is cozy, which is very something that's gonna touch our souls. And that's what I feel about the soups. I feel they actually nourish us, and in that sense, dal soup has been always my favorite, and it's such a simple soup that you can make at home. I use these red lentils. This dal, it turns into this color because I added salt and I added turmeric to this. Also because I'm not making it as a Indian dal. So I just added everything in there, which means I added onions and tomatoes. I also added garlic and ginger paste to it. And this is it. And once it's ready in quick few minutes, only 10 to 15 minutes in a pressure cooker, and it's done. And if you don't have a pressure cooker, no worries, you can still make it. You can make it in a pot, and that is again going to take only 20-25 minutes. Just make sure boil it and then let it simmer until the dal is ready, covered, if you're using a pot. I remember once I actually taught this to my students in Alberta, and I had a lady who attended the class for this soup. She met me after a few days in the store, and she said, "Jasdeep, the soup that you taught me, my little baby, I made for that soup for him, and he loves it, and every day all he eats is dal soup." So I think that was a very touching memory for me. It's always a touching memory. Whenever I make soup, I always think about her. Let's make seasoning for our dal soup, or also called tadka. So I'm just adding here ghee. You can also use oil if you like. Adding cumin seeds, red chili powder, coriander powder, homemade garam masala, and touch of pepper. Carrot juliennes and ginger juliennes for garnish. Your dal soup is ready. Let's serve it up with some cheesy garlic bread, and I hope you will enjoy it.